Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the one-time boot menu on MSI Cyborg 15. To do it, just shut your laptop down first, then plug if you're trying to boot from an external device, plug it in and wait for 30 seconds after you've shut down your laptop. Then simply press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F11 key on your keyboard. Now you are in the one-time boot menu. Feel free to select the device of your choice to boot from. Once it's on a darker background, click on enter, and now it'll boot from that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.